again, and this week's winner was chocolate covered strawberry refrigerator cake. I'm really excited about this. This is one of the very first things that he made me when we first started dating. And the ingredients, sir.
The ingredients for our chocolate covered strawberry refrigerator cake are strawberry store-bought cake mix, dream whip, and then we have a box of instant strawberry gelatin and 2 boxes of instant chocolate pudding. The pudding and the dream whip will make our whipped topping for the refrigerator cake, and pretty much gonna bake a store-bought cake mix, add Jello to that, refrigerate it, and then add our topping. There's different flavor combinations you can make with this. My family's personal favorite is lemon cake with lime Jello and then lemon pudding topping. So we're gonna try this one and make it again. I know she likes it a lot, and hopefully you guys will try it and like it too. Alright, so now for our Jello inside of our refrigerator cake, we're going to do 1.5 cups of water. We're going to microwave it for about 2.5 minutes, and then we're going to add in our strawberry Jello, let it dissolve, and then we will puncture the cake with plenty of holes for that Jello to soak into, and then we're going to pop it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. So take your 1.5 cups of water, add it to a microwave safe bowl. Alright, and then we're going to pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Alright. So while that's going, we're going to take our cake that we baked, just according to the package. Took about 35 minutes to bake. We let it cool for almost an hour. So while we're making the Jello, we're going to get a fork and then just come in and poke holes about maybe 1 inch apart from each other throughout the cake, just so when you go to pour the gelatin in there, it sort of gets nice and evenly distributed. Alright, so we got our holes poked in our cake, and we're just going to pull this out here in a second and then mix our strawberry gelatin in it. And now for the Jello. To your 1.5 cups of hot water, add in 1 pack of instant gelatin. Make sure you whisk this thoroughly to dissolve completely. Now pour the gelatin over your pre-cooked cake. Make sure you pour over evenly so it gets soaked up evenly. This will make for a better refrigerator cake. Alright, now that we have our Jello poured over our cake, we're going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. And while we're doing that, we'll get to making our pudding topping and pull out the cake and go ahead and top it and try it. And now the whipped topping. Into your mixing bowl, add in 1 pack of instant pudding. And 1 pack of Dream Whip powder mix. One and a half cups of milk. Now set your mixer to a low speed and increase to a medium-high to high speed.
Mm-hmm. Would you like that?
Alright, so now our chocolate covered strawberry refrigerator cake is finished. We're going to give it a quick little taste and let you know how it came out.
It's really good. Well, don't forget to thumbs up this video, and as always, thanks for watching.
And bon appetit. So the pudding and the Dream Whip will make our topping, and then we will bake our cake and add our Jello to that and refrigerate it, where it gets the refrigerator cake part of the name, and then we're going to top it with our whip.
And somebody's calling us. We're so popular.
And then topping it with our whipped topping. And just so you know, there's plenty of other flavor combinations out there to make. My family's personal favorite is actually a lemon cake with lime gelatin and then lemon pudding topping. So there's plenty to try. Hopefully you like this recipe and you give it a shot yourself and try a different flavor combination. And let's get to making the refrigerator cake.
Mario loves you.
Are you ready for this?
Dun, 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 dun,
Are you filming?
dun, 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 dun. Yes, sir, I am.
So now for our Jello that we're going to put inside of our already baked strawberry cake, which is right here. We have, okay.
Did you put holes in
I was looking
it?
around, I was like, where is, okay, here, it's right here. Alright. Alright, now that our chocolate covered strawberry refrigerator cake is ready, we're going to give it a quick little test and let you know how it came out.
That's a big test. This is really good. Let me finish chewing the food.